Hello everybody, today we are joined with our General Manager Nicola. Welcome Nicola, today we're talking about the anti-money laundering. So take us through that, what do we need to know?
Thanks, Matt. So from the 1st of July 2026, real estate agencies across Australia will be required to comply with the new anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing laws, often referred to as AML/CTF. These are federal government reforms that will apply to agencies involved in the sale, purchase and transfer of real estate. The aim is to strengthen the integrity of the property transactions and help prevent criminal activity within the property sector.
So Nicola, what does that mean for our clients?
For most people, the changes will be pretty straightforward. Doyle Spillane has always completed identification and ownership checks as part of our normal processes. What these new laws introduce are additional verification and due diligence requirements that all real estate agencies will now be required to undertake. Depending on the transaction, we may need to collect some additional information, verify certain details through our compliance systems, and in some cases ask further questions about ownership structures, trust companies, or the source of funds involved in a transaction. It's important to understand that these requirements are being introduced across the entire real estate industry, so all agencies will be working through a similar process.
Some people may ask, why are you asking for so much more additional information?
That's a really good question. These new laws are designed to help prevent property transactions being used for money laundering or other criminal activities. The government has identified real estate as an industry where additional safeguards are required, and these reforms are designed to bring Australia into line with many other countries around the world. While there will be some additional checks involved, they're intended to protect consumers, property owners, and the integrity of the property market as a whole.
Do you think these changes are going to make it more difficult for buyers and sellers?
Not really. For most clients, it will simply mean a few additional compliance checks at the beginning of the transaction. We've invested heavily in new systems, technology and staff training to ensure the process is as efficient and as seamless as possible. In fact, many of these checks will occur behind the scenes through our compliance systems, so for most clients the impact will be minimal. Our team will guide clients through each step and explain exactly what's required.
Is there anything that the people need to do off the bat now?
At this stage, no. If you're planning to buy, sell or transfer property after the 1st of July 2026, we'll explain any requirements that apply to your situation and help you through the process. The most important thing to know is that we've been preparing for these changes well in advance. While there may be some additional information and verification requirements, our team will guide you through the process and make it as straightforward as possible.
Thanks so much, Nick. And if anybody does need any more information on these new changes, feel free to reach out to Nicola or myself or anyone at the team at Doyle Spillane. We're here to help and have a great day. Thank you.